Here's another great video discovered and brought to you by the Hall Law Office. For more information, please visit www.criminallitigator.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So I definitely want somebody who is, like I said, going to think outside the box and challenge me. My investigator that I use quite frequently will come into me, and we just had a case that was set for trial that I got dismissed this last week. I was supposed to be in trial on Monday, and the prosecutor finally called me and said, look, I do not want to go to trial on this. She'd amended the charges already twice on me, and I was like, we're going to trial. My client will not take a deal. He is adamant that he did not do anything. It actually was a fight that started out as a third-degree assault and got dismissed down to a disorderly conduct fighting in public. And she's like, we're really going to be in trial over this? And I said, yeah, see you at 8 o'clock on Monday morning. She's like, really? So she's like, finally she said to me, okay, I'll give you a deal that I know your client's not going to be able to pass up. Please just have him go do a Road Rage 3 class, and I'll make this go away. Sold. All day long. So I called my client and I said, okay, here's the deal. I know you're going to take this. It's $130 to take the class. It's a Saturday and a Sunday, and the case is going to go away. He's like, perfect. I'll take it all day long. However, my investigator up to that point was like, he's guilty. I was like, I don't care. That's not your job. That's the jury's job to make that decision. And he's like, well, I am not getting anything to fit what his story is. I said, I don't care. Go out and investigate the people, and whatever I got. And if I can make an argument, I will. And if not, the jury will say he's guilty, and that's that. My job, like I said, is to make sure that the police, the prosecution do their job, and that he gets a fair trial and a fair shake. At the end of the day, I get to go home, and my clients all know that it doesn't matter what I've said to them, what I've explained the law is, what the possible punishment is. At the end of the day, I go home. And if you can live with whatever the plea agreement is, or you know that because you've gone to trial and you got to express what your rights are, and you can live with what the jury comes back with, great, I'll go to trial all day long. It doesn't bother me. However, in some cases, you know, they're not able to swallow that pill. And we got a good result out of that. However, at first my investigator was like, this isn't working out. And I said, just go out and interview the witnesses. And sure shit, when he interviewed the witnesses, their stories didn't match their testimony that they had already written out that happened less than 20 minutes after the fight. Their story was way off base. And I said, perfect. Now I hope they testify to something different again, so I can impeach them not only once, but twice. Because their statement has to match something that they've either already said or that he said that they said in the interview. I get questions all the time from civil attorneys calling me saying, can my investigator go put a tracking device on a vehicle? Oh wow, that's a touchy subject. Can I record somebody anonymously? Okay, I have ethical rules and obligations that I, as an attorney, need to follow. So what I tell my investigator is, you are working for me. This is what the rules and regulations are. What you choose to do outside of that could cause you to be fired or removed from the case. If you do something unbeknown to me, which is you didn't call me and ask me that, there's nothing I can do about that. However, if you called me and asked me a question and I've advised you what those rules and regulations are, no, don't go outside those, because I could be in trouble and lose my license, and this one specific case is not worth $65,000 in student loans and, a license gone, bye-bye.